Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at reverse engineering from tryhackme.com. So I have recently completed all this crack me challenges. So basically what we are gonna look is challenge number 3. So it's kind of tricky, but we just have to know how to manipulate the resistor. So it's gonna be easy but repetitive. It's gonna be repetitive, that's all there is to it. So let's begin it. So you can do tmux, open it. Okay, tmux ls. Okay, we are inside tmux only, so that's all right. So if we just do grep, so I have already downloaded that file. So this is the file, and what we can do is I will just run it first. Crack me 3. Let's do enter. So we need to insert a password. So basically when you try to open a hint, it just talks about to check a register. So in first crack me, simply you have to know what value. You just have to use string command. So then you can see the flag in second crack me. You have to know the value that has been compared with, and you can just decode that, right? In third, so we are gonna do right now, and let's start. So if we know the how to use gdb and to read a register, this challenge is gonna be super easy. So let's start, right? gdb and then crack me 3. So we are gonna use 3, and first of all let's break a main. Okay, then let's run the file. So we have we have a breakpoint, and let's use a dissembler. Then let's see the assembly code. So right now the breakpoint is over here, and if we look closely here, what we have to know is what value is being compared. So why it is so necessary? Because we are giving an input, and this file, this binary file has own password. That means pre-configured password, and that password is being checked with whatever we are giving input. So let's copy this. So we have DL and AL. This is the load register, and in 32 bits it is defined as EDX and EAX. And let's set a breakpoint. Okay, where is that? Okay, let's paste it, and here I missed 0. Let's do enter. So breakpoint has been set, and then let's continue it. So it asks for to enter a password. Then let's do 1 2 3 4, and right now we are at the checking point where it compares compares DL with AL. So here you can just print the value, right? Print the DL first. It is 31. That is the number of number 1, and print AL. So this is a 61. So that means in this is the value that we are gonna input it. So let's do continue. So that means this 1 is not equal to A, so that's why it just exited. So we know the first letter was A. Then let's run it and let's continue it. So we know the first letter was A and we don't know other letters, so 2 3, so we can just put that, right? And now what we can do is to check that we can do print $, then DL. So now we are at first phase and it just both has 61. So we passed the first check. Let's continue it and let's print. Okay, let's print. Okay, DL, and let's print AL. So here our next we input the value 2 and it's in hex it was 32, and this is the Z in ASCII. So we know the next letter is Z. Then let's do continue, and it did stop, right? Let's continue it again. Our first was A, then Z, then we don't know what was it, so we can just put it 1, and this is the first. That means we can check at AL. So okay, print AL. So this is the first one. Let's continue it. So we pass the first comparison. So this is the second one. Okay, I have to write print then. So it's 7A, right? Then what we can do is, so continue it and let's print the AL value. Okay, let's print the AL value. So it's 74. That means the in ASCII the letter is T, and let's print it and print. Okay, print the current value that is being stored over here. So this is the one, so this is the value, and let's continue it. So it shows the password is incorrect, right? And we know the password, that is, let's do continue, AZT, that's the password, and let's do hit continue, continue, and continue. Now it shows the password is correct. That is how this Crack Me 3 is done. Thank you guys.